Hey there, so I got this given to me as a gift. It is a Blackstone griddle kit that allows you to do smash burgers. We're not going to be doing, obviously, a Blackstone, but I am using, I have these copper sheets that I use whenever I want to emulate a griddle. So it comes with, of course, the smasher, very nice little, looks like stainless steel. We got a cool cat barbecue spatula. It's got a cutter on the side, it's got a poker on the top, it's got a knife on that side. So very utilitarian. Also comes with a rather large silicone glove with insulation on the inside. So whenever you're using the lid that they gave you, you can place it on top without worrying about burning your fingers. So if you're looking for something like this for your Blackstone, check it out. I think it would be great. Go ahead and cook up some turkey burgers. Yay. Here we go. All right. That is hot enough. All right. Let's lay down some burgers. All right. I'm going to go ahead and use this guy. It's kind of warm. I grab my glove. I was sitting next to the fire and got kind of warm. Got my silicone glove. One, spray this again. Try to help it from sticking. Another one. Not sure why. Alright, so smash burgers are smashed. That worked pretty well with this. And if they got stuck, I just used this to scrape it off, so that worked pretty well. I'm just going to go ahead and let these cook, and we'll be good to go. So if you're looking for something like this, so check it out.